Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this tool. So let's now start the video. First go to line tool and create a line of 850 mm. Now go to front view, choose the line tool and draw a horizontal line of 250 mm. Now the vertical line of 30 mm. Again make a horizontal line of 200 mm. Now make a vertical line of 600 mm. Now a straight line like this. Choose the line tool and close the file. Go to restore and release the plans. Now go to arc tool and create an arc like this. Again create an arc like this. Now go to circle tool and create a circle like this. Now select this profile. Go to follow the tool. Create profile like this. Now we can delete the circle. Now go to line tool. Create a line of 15 mm. Now go to front view. Create the line tool and draw a line of 350 mm. And create a vertical line of 20 mm. We create a vertical line of 50 mm. Now go to 2 point output and create a straight and arc like this. Now go to push tool and give a value of 30 mm. So this whole body like this and like this. Now go to circle tool and draw a circle of 12 mm. I will push tool, give a value of 20 mm. Again go to circle tool, select the chamfer, draw a circle of 30 mm. Again go to push tool, give a value of 12 mm. Drag it over here, go to register and remove this circle. Now select this whole body, right here and like this. Now go to mode tool, select this one and drag it over here. Again go to mode tool, drag it like a circle, place it over here. Now go to flip tool, select the body and flip around this tool. Now go to mode tool, select this one and drag it over. Again go to mode tool, select this body and drag it by pressing control. Place it over here. Now go to rotate tool, select this one, select this one and rotate it by 90 degrees. Now go to mode tool, select this point, take it over here. Slightly adjust it like this. Again go to mode tool, select this point, drag it by pressing control, place it over here. Now go to flip tool, select this body and flip around this side. Now go to move tool, Set this one. Take it over. Now select this whole body. Right click. Into the process to remove. Now select this whole body. Right click and then go. Go to circle to choose the center and draw a circle of 2. Go to threshold tool. Give a value of 25. Now go to offset tool. Give an offset of 10. Now go to move to select this face and press Alt and give a value of 25. Double click it, right click and let it. Now that our stool is ready, let's give texture to it. For this, go to material, go to wood and select this texture table. Now go to color, choose the gray color and press the. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.